Went to Walmart recently and I picked up 4 boxes of Tula ammo. I could not go by without picking them up because they were $8 or $8.99 a box, and this is $18.99 a box for 20 rounds. So I said, well, I'll give them a try on my Ruger American Rifle 308, and I gotta tell you, the rifle does not like this ammo. Every time the firing pin hits the round, it would not go off. It will make the dent like it hit and striked it, but nothing happened. But I took the same ammo and put it on the AK, the one that was already hit on the primer, on an AK 308 rifle, and it fired fine. But with the Ruger American Rifle 308, Tula ammo does not work correctly.
Thank you for watching NC Gun videos. Please remember to subscribe. Also check us out on Facebook and Twitter. And give us a like on the video. See you next week.